Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Chai AI Girlfriend app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Chai AI is a popular chatbot platform that allows users to engage in text discussions with AI chatbots. The platform is intended to provide engaging and entertaining interactions with chatbots representing various personalities and conversation styles. Chai AI use advanced natural language processing and deep learning technologies to provide realistic and human-like responses, delighting users looking for unique and interesting discussions. Now, to use Chai AI, what you need to do first is open Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, search Chai AI and be sure to download the official application with this logo. When you find the official app, click on it and download it. After the installation is complete, what you need to do is open the app. Then, in the next step, what you need to do is log in or sign up into the app. Sign up using your Google account. Once you're signed in, you need to set up your name and avatar. You can also buy their premium membership. Their monthly membership costs 250 rupees per month and their annual membership costs 2500 rupees per year. Once you have done all that, you can see many chatbots with whom you can start conversation. Select anyone you like and start interacting with them. Each chatbot have their own unique personality and characteristics. You can interact with popular personalities, participate in role-playing scenarios, or have informal conversations. You can speak your heart out without worrying about privacy. You can also create your own AI bot. For that, click on plus button, then continue. What you need to do next is choose a name for your AI bot. Then press continue. Then you need to click public or private. You can also choose your AI chatbot's personality, like creative, dramatic, friendly, funny, or ignorant. Click continue. Add an image for your AI. Click publish and your AI chatbot will be published. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Chai AI Girlfriend app. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.